My name is Dr. Marco van Strijer. I'm an interventional radiologist coming from the Netherlands, and I practice in the St. Antonius Hospital, located right in the middle of the Netherlands in the Utrecht area. My specialty is oncologic interventions, and I have also a special interest in robot-assisted interventions.
Mă numesc Andrei Simonov, sunt medic specialist radiolog cu competență în radiologie intervențională, cu un interes deosebit pentru procedurile de oncologie intervențională, pentru proceduri oncologice ghidate imagistic, minim-invazive.
It was by special invitation of my good colleague, Dr. Andrei Simonov, who invited me to not only give a talk on my insights and the cases I did over the past few years in treating patients with different conditions by using robotic assistance and cryoablation and microwave ablation, but also to perform at least 3 cases together in the setup of the Monza Hospital.
Over the last 2 days we had the privilege of having Dr. Marco van Strijer here in Bucharest, and we coordinated together a workshop. It was the first XPRCT guided ablation and biopsy workshop in Romania, and we also had the pleasure of using a micromate robot. It was the first time we used it here in Romania and in the Monza Hospital. We had a large number of participants from Romania and the neighboring countries, 16 or 17 participants. They had the chance to see 3 live cases, 1 biopsy case, 1 microwave ablation case, and 1 cryoablation case. Each of them had the chance to try the workflow hands-on in the angio suite. They had the chance to do the cone beam CT acquisition, to do the planning, and to guide, they use a robot to guide the needle in a simulation, in a phantom, like in a real clinical situation.
The technique of microwave ablation is a technology where we are heating tumors in different locations in the human body. It's most suitable for treating liver tumors, and we do this by placing a needle inside of the tumor and then heating it so that the tumor cells are killed. And this is a very easy procedure. It's performed percutaneously, which means that we go through the skin, and there are no surgical scars, and usually patients are well to go home the next day. Microwave is most suitable for liver tumors, but it can also be used in other locations as well. Although I must admit that for treating tumors in the kidneys, I prefer cryoablation, which is actually the opposite. In cryoablation, we don't burn the tumor, but we freeze the tumor instead. In lungs, you could decide, depending on the anatomic site, what is the best method. If it's close to any critical structure, you might choose for cryoablation. But in general, you could also use a heat-based technology like microwave ablation. Different body parts require a different approach, and it's always a selection. What is the best option and what treatment is the best choice? Advantage of performing procedures the interventional radiology way is that we always try to work as minimal invasive as possible, which means that we work through small incisions, that we work with minimal invasive technology, and that we try to harm the patient as less as possible. So potentially all these patients could either be treated on an outpatient basis, like they could go home the same day, or they experience very little discomfort from our treatment and can, for instance, go home the next day. In most of the cases, our treatments would actually be an alternative to former surgical procedures. But there are also quite a few new indications where we are now using these minimal invasive techniques to perform treatments that were up till now not feasible. If I focus on the future, and then specifically on the future of interventional radiology, I think that the biggest new developments we will see is indeed the use of robotics, but also the use of artificial intelligence in deciding, for instance, on best treatment, best access, analyzing the results and making decisions for adjuvant therapy wherever needed in specific oncologic cases. We started by very basic procedures like angiography, which was for a long time the basis of interventional radiology. But over the past few years, say the past 10 years, we've seen that we have started to become also very important in interventional oncology. And the next step, well, like I said, is the technological development, where we will be using new techniques that assist us in performing even more complex and more challenging procedures. Today and yesterday we had the pleasure of working in a state-of-the-art environment where the best equipment that is currently out in the market is available for performing interventional radiology procedures. It's the way interventional radiologists work is we use X-rays, we use X-ray technology to visualize what is inside the body. And the technology available in Monza Hospital is one of the best out there currently. And if you combine this best imaging technology with additional technology like ablation or like robotics, you will see that you have a win-win situation where you get the best out of two worlds, and you will actually be able to do top procedures with incredible good outcomes.
I'm very grateful, and it was an honor to have Dr. Marco here, and it was a privilege, and I hope we'll see him again soon.
Well, I first would like to thank for the kind invitation by Dr. Andrei Simonov. I really enjoyed my visit to Monza Hospital. I mean, your hospitality was really top. For me, it felt much more like 2 days. It was packed with all kinds of different informations. I always feel as an educator, it's always a pleasure to meet colleagues who are interested in what we are doing, and also come with sometimes with bright new ideas on what we could explore further with the technology we have been using during this workshop as well. And I would like to thank the team of Monza Hospital for all the organizational work they did. It was really an excellent workshop. But also I want to thank the available people from the different vendors, from the different technologies that were extremely helpful in supplying the equipment we needed for this workshop, and also helped out with the different setups that were so necessary for treating the patients that we did today.
I want to thank Monza for your help. It was a pleasure starting my collaboration with Monza, and I'm really glad to find here a team that really knows how to do interventional radiology.